Is there something I can do for you? You're putting your little head down. What do you want? Yeah, you always want this, don't you? Oh, I stop you bossing me around, don't you? What you doing? Oh, that's nice. I mess up your hairdo? Oh. Oh. Hi, Loco. Oh, so handsome. What you doing? Oh. Oh. Oh, I hear Casper. Casper, do you want to be on TV? Hello. 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 Hey, pretty bird. I love you. Hello. Casper's so shy. Hi. So beautiful. Hi, pretty babe.